Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm creating a wedding look. The entire look will be created using just one single makeup brand. I'm using all the products by Swiss Beauty's brand Select. All the makeup products by Swiss Beauty Select are infused with skincare. They're high performance. Also, you can get a 25% additional discount if you shop for more than $4.99 from the official website of Swiss Beauty using my code Arushi25, which will be mentioned here on the screen. So without any further ado, let's begin with the makeup. Now the first product that I'm using is the Swiss Beauty Select Blur 8 All Primer. Now this one is such a good primer. It minimizes the pores, also has a water consistency. It reduces the appearance of the fine lines, wrinkles, and just makes it all even. It is lightweight, has an airy texture, and I've noticed whenever I apply this primer, the makeup lasts even longer. By the way, it also has vitamin E and A, which both are great for nourishment. Now moving on to the next step, the foundation. I'm using the Swiss Beauty Select Game Changer Serum Foundation. And oh my god, this is a true foundation match. This was such a true match for my skin tone, and this one blends in so smoothly, so seamlessly. Although I do have a beauty blender with me, but I'm a makeup brush girl, so I'm using the flat top foundation brush by Swiss Beauty Select. This is very good for smooth application, very quick. So I have the entire set of brushes from Swiss Beauty Select, but I'm going to show that to you later once I'm done with my foundation application, because I really don't want to break the flow. This foundation has a natural and dewy texture, also because it has hyaluronic acid infused in it. So the coverage is buildable and breathable. You can apply as per your requirement. Okay, although I don't feel like using a concealer, but since we are doing a high glam makeup look, so I'm definitely going to use the concealer just to hide the imperfections. So this one is the Professional Series Makeup Brush Set by Swiss Beauty Select. It has a total of 12 brushes inside, which is great for beginners or even makeup enthusiasts. So it has a variety of brushes just to cater all your makeup requirements and needs. The bristles are extremely soft, they are high quality, high performance, and I'm obsessed with these brushes. I'm going to use these brushes in today's makeup tutorial. I also love the fact that this comes in this case, which is really compact and lightweight. It's easy to carry it around. It's travel friendly, and your brushes are safe and protected inside the case at home as well. So great thing to purchase for yourself. Now moving on to the Swiss Beauty Select High on Cover Liquid Concealer. I have a lot of reasons to like this concealer. First, because it is a great shade to hide my imperfections, and it's buildable, hydrating, lightweight, it's ultra blendable. Also, it has a no crease formula, which I really love, and it's got a very superior coverage. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend it. I've applied it on the highest points of my face and my under eyes. This is in the shade Fair to Medium, and I tell you, this is perfect for my skin tone. Now moving on to the Swiss Beauty Select Focus Fix Translucent Powder. Now this one is a one-of-a-kind powder that lasts the stay of your makeup. It sets your makeup and it refreshes the skin. Plus it's translucent in color, so it's great. But also, why can't I open this? Yeah. But it doesn't leave any white cast on your face. I'll show you how. Now that's because it is powered by light diffusing photochromic technology that adds a luminous, soft focus effect to the skin. Also blurs pores and minimizes the appearance of fine lines and imperfections. Look how it has set so well. Now this 12 pan eyeshadow palette by Swiss Beauty Select has a mix of smooth, buttery mattes, some high shine shimmers and wet metallics. This one is in the shade Slow Days, which has a mix of berries, pinks, and some nudes. It has a beautiful mix of shades, so I'm going to use this one today. I'm applying the lighter brown shade on the crease line, then intensifying it with a darker brown shade. I'm also applying the darker brown shade on the waterline. That's because I don't usually apply a kohl kajal. Then I'm going to wet my flat eyeshadow brush to apply the brightest shimmer shade on the central lid part and applying the lightest shimmer on the inner corners. Now moving on to the Swiss Beauty Select Game Changer Tubing Mascara. Now this one is a jet black mascara which gives instant definition and volume to the eyelashes. Now look at the eyes. I mean, the lashes have gotten so much volume, length, and they have curled really well. I'm loving the entire look that this mascara is giving. You can also head over to the Swiss Beauty's official website for an additional 25% discount using the code RUSHI25. If you buy products more than an amount of $4.99, then you can totally avail this discount coupon code. Now moving on, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Select High On Blush. How can we forget a good blush, right? I love having a good flush of color on my cheeks. So this time I'm using a peachy shade. The shade name of this is called Pretty Peach, and I feel this peach shade is better than a lot of pinks. Let's see how it looks on our skin. It is a soft matte powder that gives a natural flush for the perfect sun-kissed look. Now to complete the entire look, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Select Here to Stay Liquid Lipstick. I feel that this look needs a perfect mix of pinkish, nudish lip shade just to, complement the entire makeup look. So this shade La Rose is perfect for right now. It's ultra smooth when it comes to the application. It is matte in finish and has a high impact color with a single swipe precision. The last step is to use the Swiss Beauty Select Makeup Fixer Setting Spray. So I just want to set all of this in its place. So I'm just using a few sprays of the makeup fixer. It's weightless and is enriched with aloe and vitamin E, which soothes and hydrates the skin from within, ensuring your makeup looks fresh from AM to PM. So guys, this is my final makeup look. I'm ready for the wedding season. So I will have all the products that I've used in this video in the information box below. The links will be attached so you can have a look at the same. You can also head over to the Swiss Beauty's official website and grab an additional 25% discount if you shop for more than $4.99 using the coupon code RUSHI25 mentioned here on the screen and in the information box as well. Trust me guys, these products by Swiss Beauty are high performance, game changing, and they cater to different Indian skin tones. So grab yourselves these products. They are amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you very soon. Bye.